Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be adjusting a UPVC door and window to prevent drafts. So let's start with the door first. If you put your hand here you can feel an obvious draft, or if I take you in and show you this, you can see how there's quite a bit of laxity there. Pull the door back. We should be able to adjust that. We'll show you that now. So what equipment do you need? Just a set of Allen keys. A number 3 or a number 4 should do it. Right, so we've got the door open, and what you're looking for are these lock head mechanisms. There should be 4, there's 4 on this one. Right, so we've got the roller cam in a neutral position. You can see the mark up there. If I was to turn this clockwise, like this, towards the rubber, it tightens the seal. And if I was to turn it anti-clockwise, away, that loosens the seal, so it's almost like a winter mode and a summer mode. So I'm going to tighten the seal now and place it in its winter mode. Now if you get a situation whereby you close the door and it won't close, all we're going to do now is just loosen that off a little bit. So we'll just change it. So as you saw at the start, there's a bit of laxity at the top, so I've done the top one, I've done the middle one, and now when I close it, lift it up, not only is there no draft, there's no laxity in the door now, and I also can hear less sound as well, so that's in winter mode. Feel free to revert it back to summer mode when it gets warmer. Last one, quick example on a window. This seal's quite good, whereas this one I can feel a big draft coming through. It doesn't feel as though there's a bit of laxity in there, so we'll go and show you that now. Same goes to the window. You can see it's in a neutral position there. I've put a little mark on it so it's easier. Just going to turn it in towards the rubber, and that should tighten the seal. So give it a tighten. Yeah, seal's much better there now.